Hi YouTube. I got another gift in the mail from my YouTube friend Alan. This time, this is the second time Alan has sent me something. This time, he sent me an old antique Park Sherman lighter. Very similar to a Zippo. Hinged top. For comparison, here's my favorite Zippo. Hinged top. Zippo uses a little cam to keep the lid closed. These guys use a couple pieces of steel to keep it closed with spring pressure. Kind of clever. Yeah, but it's clearly a copy. I don't know if Zippo ever had a problem with that. Yeah. First Zippos were made in the 1930s. The patent for this came in 1945. You know, like 10 years later. They are the same width. The Zippo is a little bit taller and a little bit skinnier, but even the hinges are the same. Interesting, huh? But it's very cool. It's very old. I don't know exactly when this was made. The patent was applied for in 1945. There's a little patent number on the case. So I did a patent search, and I found, can you believe this, original drawings for the patent applied for in 1945. Jacob Sherman was the inventor. Parkinson and Lowe, the attorneys. Yeah, this is this lighter. Cool, huh? Very, very cool. This is just the wording. To all whom it may concern, be it known that I, Jacob S. Sherman, a citizen of the United States, residing in Chicago in the county of Cook and state of Illinois, have invented a new, original, and ornamental design for lighter case or similar article, of which the following is a specification, reference being had to the accompanying drawing forming a part thereof, blah, 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 blah. How cool is that? So anyway, invented in 1945. I don't know exactly when this particular lighter was created. I'm guessing probably the 60s or 70s. But it still works. The top springs open, snaps closed. I trimmed the wick and filled it with fluid. Boom! Lights every time. How cool is that? Oh, I thought this was interesting. The inventor is Jacob Sherman. The attorney was Parkinson and Lowe, or Love, whatever. Guess whose name was on the chimney? Park. On the bottom of the lighter, I'm sure they didn't copy this from Zippo. It says, anyway, this is Park lighter. It's windproof. Yeah, anyway. This one has some Chinese characters on one side. I'm sure it wasn't made that way. I'm sure it's some type of personalization. If anybody knows what this means, please let me know. I'm very curious if it's a person's name or if it's like luck or honor or something. Yeah, it's hard to see in the video, but I took a pretty good picture, and I'll put that at the end of the video, and so you can freeze it and take a good look at it. Yeah, hopefully somebody will know what it means. That'd be cool. Very cool. I'm not going to do Zippo tricks with this because I tried once. If you try to flip it closed, the insert flies across the room and tries to set the carpet on fire. Yeah, not good. Anyway, very cool. Yeah, very cool lighter. Functional. It works. It's going in my lighter collection. Thank you, Alan. I really appreciate it. Thank you all for watching. Have a great day. Peace out.